Modules, how to create our own methods and call to standard exe module. So to create our own methods and use for multiple projects, just have a new project and select Activexexe. It is a extended technology. We have to create a executable file and use the methods in different projects. So first we will create different types of functions inside a class module. So to create a class module, just select Activexexe and press OK. See here, inside project 1 you will get a class 1. Here only a code window will appear, no object window. If you click on view, see here the object is deactivated. So we have to just create our own procedures or functions inside this class. We can create events and properties also. So we'll just have an example. Inside class 1 we will create different types of 4 functions for addition of number, subtraction, multiplication and division. So just move to tools, click on add procedure, select the type function and specify the function name. See here addition. Okay. Automatically public function will be the opening of a body and end function is the closing of a body. Inside this function we will have two variables, a as integer comma b as integer. Okay, then we have to function means to accept the argument and return a value. So inside addition we will just add two numbers through variables, that is a and b, val of a plus val of b. Just save the class. We are saving this class inside VB chapters folder. See, save. The project name is class project. Just remember this project name. Okay, this is the first function created inside class 1. We can create in the same way more than one function. The next function we are using here is subtraction. Same concept, just declare two variables. These are the parameters we are passing to subtraction function. The value we have to return is a minus b inside subtraction function. Same way, tools, add procedure, function. The function name we are applying here is multiplication. Once again, a as integer comma b as integer. See, multiplication equals to a into b. So you can collect number of functions inside class 1. Now we will just save this once again. Fine. Before closing this class module, we have to create a executable file for this project. So to create a executable file, just move to file, make class project exe. See here, by default name we are taking here is class project. Okay. Now a exe file has been created. Just close this project, remove project. Fine. We can use this class for each and every standard exe module. So new project, select standard exe. Okay. Suppose now we want to create a form which displays us addition of two numbers. So already we are having one form. We will just open it. See here, Activexexe project name. Fine. See, we will use this form, but we will see through how to calculate the two numbers with the help of that function, how to call the class module to this project. So before calling that module, first we have to change the name of a project. The by default project, move to project 1 properties, See here, a project name is project 1. So just change this. Suppose addition project. Okay. Why we are changing this name? As for class 1 also the project name was project 1, and for this also project 1. So inside project 1 we can't add the project 1 again. The name conflict error will be displayed. So first change the name of this project and now attach that class module to this project. See here how to attach that exe file. Just click on project, move to references. By default, for each and every control, a exe file is attached automatically when we take any of the control from here. Now we have to select our own class module in this references. So just click on browse. Where we have saved, select that drive, D drive, under VB chapters. Fine. See here a blank screen is there. As the file of type is DLL, so just change this exe. You will get the file in front of you. Select that file, press open. Fine. See, in this list our class module is attached now. Location VB chapters class project.exe. Just press OK. Fine. This was the method to call that class module. Now how to use that class inside a code window? So just double click here. To run the class we have to create an object. So we will just declare one variable here, object dim a as, or suppose t as new. See here class 1. We have created our own data type or collection of code inside this class. So to run this class we have created the object by name t. Now inside text3 we want to display the addition of two numbers. So text3 equals to, instead of writing val of text1 plus text2, you can just use those methods. Just press t and dot. See, the three methods is in front of you. Hope you have understood now the concept of Activexexe. Create our own class modules, functions and use in multiple projects. So addition, the parameter a will replace with text1 and b with text2. Fine. Save this. We will just run this form. See, the value is correct. So we have just added two numbers but through classes. Here we complete the topic Activexexe. You can use same method for Activex DLL also. The difference is when you create a Activexexe file, that file is shared on personal PC for multiple projects. But if you want to share that file between networking more than one PC, then we have to write this code under Activex DLL, dynamic link library. That file is shared on networking.